In the sleek, modern studio, a countdown begins, each number heralding a glimpse of automotive excellence. The screen boldly declares, "Top Cars of 2026, a promise of innovation and speed." Brief flashes of different cars hint at the automotive marvels to be unveiled, each promising a glimpse into the future of driving. Under the sun's radiant embrace, a Toyota Cressida emerges, a beacon of luxury reimagined. Chrome gleams, LED lights pierce, and a panoramic sunroof invites the sky, embodying the essence of luxury. The screen proclaims, "Toyota Cressida, luxury reimagined." Within, supple leather and advanced tech create an oasis of comfort and innovation. A Range Rover sedan conquers the rugged mountainous terrain with an unparalleled blend of power and elegance. On-screen text, Range Rover sedan, luxury without limits. Inside, the exquisite wood trim and luxurious massage seats offer a sanctuary of comfort amidst the wilderness. The BMW Zone, a beacon of innovation, effortlessly navigates the vibrant arteries of the city, turning heads with its sleek, compact design. A message flashes across the screen. BMW Zone, compact and cutting edge. Inside, the modern curved digital display and intuitive iDrive 9 system create a symphony of technological sophistication. The Ford Mustang GT dominates the racetrack, its tires shrieking in defiance as it carves through each turn. Sunlight dances off its polished surface, revealing every curve of its formidable silhouette. The roar of its mighty V8 engine reverberates through the air, a symphony of raw power unleashed. On screen, the words Ford Mustang GT, modern muscle declare its legacy of performance and innovation.